everybody. So today the bee yards and the garden are in much need of some maintenance, so I'm going to do that with you guys, as well as take you on a short tour of a garden to see what we got growing right now. And so come along with me, this should be fun. Alright guys, so I just want to take you on a short tour of our garden to show you what we have going. It's still pretty hot here, so we don't have a lot growing yet, but I'll just take you row by row to show you what we've got going. Right here we have some little basils and some parsley. Just got some little basil starts there and some parsley. And we've got some French tarragon right there that will start blooming beautiful yellow flowers soon. And then here in this row, if I can show you, we've got these little plants here, and these are dandelion greens, chicory root. And I've got a nice little row of those going. They look like they're handling the heat okay. This right here is borage. It makes a beautiful purple flower that's edible, very pretty. And then got a row of blueberry bushes here. They're not blooming right now. And right here I've got a nice row of bush beans going. They're looking great. They should start making beans for us here in about a week. They're doing really well. Some more tarragon right there. That's a big old bush. And then I've got these blackberry bushes here. They have volunteered themselves in the middle of the garden. So when it gets a little cooler here, I will transplant them all into a single row so they're not just kind of sprawling all over the garden. This bed right here where the blackberries are, I don't have anything planted in it yet. I'm waiting for it to cool off for some winter greens. And then right here we've got some popcorn, some Japanese whole-list popcorn. So we're gonna see if we can get some popcorn out of these, and also some food for the chickens. They'll really like that. We can grind it up for them a little bit. So we've got these little corn plants sprouting here. And then one of my favorite things in the garden here is this beautiful vine that we've got growing right here with the yellow flowers on it. This is a loofah vine. And it grows these, get you in here and look, grows these beautiful big squash, and they're my favorite thing because when they ripen and they turn brown on the outside, you pick them and pull the skin off and you get a loofah sponge. Isn't this gorgeous? It's my favorite thing to grow in the garden. The little fruits are edible when they're small before they get real woody, but when they grow big, you can harvest them as loofah sponge. Oh, I love it. Plus, the bumblebees and our bees and other solitary bees really love these flowers. Look at this guy. It's so awesome. So we also have some lemongrass right there and a bunch more blackberries growing. And I've got some smaller loofahs set over here as well. There's a loofah. There's our papaya tree. It's doing well. No ripe ones right now. I think it's been too hot. I've got a little herb garden here with some oregano and some mint, some thyme, and a few more of these cute little basils. And there's kind of mint growing around. Got a couple jalapeno plants started here. It looks like we're getting some blossoms going there. Here's a fig tree, some figs on it, and a lemon tree here with some lemons that are going to be ripe here in a couple months. And I've got this beautiful tree. This is a bay leaf tree. It has gotten so big this year. These are leaves that you use in stocks and soups. They smell wonderful. I love this plant. And let's see, we've got some pineapples here. We ate pineapples all summer long. They're done now. We're gonna wait till next year to get some more pineapples. And I started a couple cucumbers over here. Just a couple little cucumber plants going well. We should get a couple cucumbers before it gets too cold here. And then these are nasturtiums. They're edible leaf and very beautiful flowers. They're kind of spicy like mustard, and they're pretty delicious. And then the only thing else that we've really got going in the garden right now is in the backyard. I'll show you it. Another papaya tree right there by our compost pile. They just come from everywhere. They just sprout up. But I wanted to show you guys this because the banana tree has blossomed and has bananas on it. And this morning the bees are just gobbling up the nectar that's coming out of there. They found this morning. So there's cute little bananas in there, and the bees are just gobbling up these flowers. And that's what we have going in the garden right now. Thank you guys for watching, liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.